So you guys, I'm about preparing spaghetti, just a very simple recipe. So already I'm boiling the stuff. I'm doing the meat stock here, and this is where the spag is. So yeah, you guys should join me in cooking this specialty for my aunt and I. Thank you.
It's not showing your phone. What do you want? Aww.
But I'll eat it. So you guys, I'll be using this for yeah, so we have to wait a little while for the stuff to mix and combine, and we're going to add my spag. I want to show you guys something. Yes, I love this mac and cheese. Like, I've been using it and it's so good. I must recommend. It's so nice, so healthy. And this Chinese noodles, I actually got it at the supermarket. There are two types of it. This one is the big one, and these are the small ones. They are really good, and I love it so much. Really good. So I love eating them because it's so healthy. I prefer this to the normal Indomie noodles that we know in Nigeria. So these are really good. I'm also having. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it's all ready. So you guys, let's go and check now.